Here we go, guys. Real quick video on natural gas futures. And as you can see, that's why we always wait for a close, wait for confirmation. And at one point where the blue arrow is, we were all green. Everything was great in the world, sunshine and rainbows. And then started selling off, selling off, selling off. And then here we are again under that red dashed line, okay? And the reason for it, if you're new to watching this, we have this sideways consolidation zone on the far left side going into February. All this was support all through there until obviously we broke through it, held in this area as well until we broke through it. And then here we go again. Instead of support, now it's resistance. And we were talking about almost on every video about feeling more comfortable going long natural gas once we get up and over that red dash line. Basically 240, 245, something like that. Because our Patreon members know about it, but there's a couple other factors in here just over that red dash line, that price line. There's a couple other measured moves that's an issue as well, and that might have contributed to the sell-off here today. And that's another little tip. If you're working a 2-minute chart, an hourly chart, daily chart like this one, weekly chart, you want to wait pretty close to the time being, going out. In other words, a 2-minute chart, maybe wait, a minute, 45 seconds, minute, 50 seconds until it's close to the end of that time lapse there on that candle. And same with the daily here as we're looking at. That's why, we definitely didn't jump in here. You always got to think like a criminal because Wall Street the institutions, they 100% of the time always do what hurts the most people, the most leverage money, so on and so forth. So anyway, that's why, again, we're waiting for a daily close at least over here, over that red dash line. Of course, higher the better. Now, if we, now again, like I said before, 3 hour, 52 minutes still left on this candle. So anything can happen. Just at right now, yeah, we're passing on this thing and letting the higher risk people go ahead and get in there, and we'll sit back and see what happens. But all right, guys, just want to, tune you up on that. The DXY US dollar currency index, very, very important here. And as you can see, again, sell off, sell off, sell off all through the day. Still have, a little over 5 hours on this one. But back under the 20s, see the 20 hour coming down. We haven't been able to even crack the 20 yet, much less this little high pivot zone through here again where the red dash line is. Now we came up into it, all this was green until, that waterfall came upon us. So the dollar really looking weak here. And if we start trading under this measured move at the green dash line at 101, 37, 38, then it becomes even more bearish. As you can see, each time we closed under it, the Fed came in, did everything they could in their power to get us back over. Close here next day, a takeout candle. And and look, over the last, practically this, well, actually this whole week, they've held it right there. So at any moment we could crash through there, and then we'll come down to the next key, support zones in here to see what we end up with. But have a great weekend. Appreciate you very much watching the video. Give us a follow over on Twitter, and we will see you on the charts.